What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a downward fishtail braid. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So to get started with this fishtail braid, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab 2 locks from the top, okay? We're going to go ahead and give it a twist 2 times. That's 1 and that is 2, just like that, okay? The next thing that we're going to do is grab a lock and we're going to begin our fishtail braid, and we are going to be taking this lock here. We're going to go over this first strand. We have 2 locks here, and throughout this braid we will have 2 sections, okay? So take this lock here and we're going to go over that first lock just like that. Then we are going to go under that one, okay? Then we're going to take this lock and go over, come around just like an infinity braid over that one, then under this one, okay? Again, we're going to come right on back around over that one, under that one, okay? We're going to do it again. We're going to come over, bring it right on back around, then we're going to go under, okay? We're going to go over, then we're going to go under, all right? Now we're going to add this lock to the left hand side, okay? Because we pulled it from the right, so it belongs to the left. We're going to take this lock from the left, cross it over that first section, under that section. We're going to come right on back around, over, and then under, okay? Right back around, over. Now you see this lock here in the back. This lock doesn't necessarily need to be a part of the braid as far as going over and under. We can just, because it's right here, I'm just going to add it to this section here, okay? And I'm going to take that lock that I had, I'm just going to go under just like that, and I'm going to go over again just like an infinity braid, and we're going to go under. We're going to come right back around, over, and just add it to that right hand section, just like that. Next thing we're going to do is take a lock from the right, okay? And we are going to be going over this first section, over, under, okay? We're going to go back around, over, and then we're going to go under, okay? We're going to continue. We're going to go over. We're going to go under. Okay. Now at this point, okay, we're going to go ahead and add this lock into this section. As you move down, you're going to be taking some locks that are kind of like just there and just like literally adding them into this section because it's convenient to do that, okay? And we can add that lock here into its section, all right? And we're going to continue the braid. We're going to take a lock from the left side and we're going to cross over that first section, okay? We're coming under, all right? And we're going over again, bringing it right back around, over, then under. Be careful, guys, when you're doing this braid not to be pulling your locks tight, okay? You don't need to pull them tight. Just put them over. Continuing, we went under, over, under. At this point, we're going to add this section to this right hand side. We're going to take a lock over that first section, okay, under, okay, right back around, under, okay, right back around, over, under, right back around, under, over, okay? Add this lock here to the right hand side and we're going to continue. Okay, we're going to be grabbing a lock into this section because it's right there. We're going to go ahead and take a lock here and we're going to go over this first section. Over, okay? We're gonna go under, bring it around, over, and then we're going under, bring it around, over. And we're gonna add it into this section here, because now, and I'm gonna take the lock in the back and just add it to this section here. We're gonna take this lock right here, and we're going over the first section, over, okay, and then we're going under, coming around, over, we're going under, we're going over, then we're going under, okay? And so we're going to take this lock and add it to this section. We're going to take this lock here because it's right there, add it to this section as well, just for convenience. And we're going to go ahead and take that lock here. And with our two sections still intact, we're going over, just like that. Then we're going under, boom, bring it around, over, going under, boom, okay? Bring it around, over, under, and we can just add it to focus on adding the locks on the outside, and whatever locks that are kind of like right under here, falling right in the middle, just add them to whichever section that is most convenient. So I'm going to continue. We're going under, okay, I'm going to add this to the right hand side section, add that lock in the back to this section because it's right there. I'm going to take this lock here on the outside, and I'm going to go ahead and continue. We're going over that first section, over, okay, then we're going under. All right, there's a lock right there in the back. I'm just going to add it to that section. We're coming around, over, under, coming around again, over. I'm going to add that lock to the left hand section. I'm going to go ahead and grab this lock here on the outside and continue. We're going over that first section, okay? Then we're going under, bring it around, over, then we're going under with that lock, okay? Bring it around again, okay? We're going under, okay, we can do one more stitch, over, we're going under. All right, bring it on around again, and we're going to add that lock to this right hand section. We're going to go ahead and grab this lock here, and we're going over that first section, over, okay, under, bring it around, over, under, bring it around, over, under. We're going to go ahead and grab that lock here over that first section, okay, under, bring it around, over, under, okay, bring it around again, over, under. This is very reminiscent of an infinity braid, so if you know how to do an infinity braid, you'll definitely know how to do this braid here. So we added that lock to that section there, and we're going to go again. We're coming over this first section, under, okay, bring it around, over, under, bring it around again, over. Now at this point we are at the end of the fishtail braid, and if you want to continue your fishtail braid, you can really do that by continuing without adding any new locks and just do a regular infinity braid, which is a figure 8, over, under, around, under, bring it around, over, under, bring it around, over, under, bring it around, through the middle, under, bring it around, through the middle, under. Okay, now the lock has gotten shorter, so you can just go ahead and add a new lock, lay that one down, get a new lock, overlap it, and continue. I believe I'm going to stop here, and the way you secure your fishtail braid is go ahead and take a rubber band. I have a clear rubber band here, and that last lock, just leave it there and just put a rubber band on the, just like that. You can just go like this, kind of hide the rubber band. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a upward fishtail braid. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks, any locticians that you know, or anyone who's in need of lock styling inspiration. Subscribe, turn on your notifications. Y'all know I ride with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.